sat down for our Ohana reservation, which was hard to get, but we were able to get it with just 2 people. This right now it looks really empty. It's gonna fill up soon, but look at our view. We're right next to the window. Our server greeted us at the podium and walked us to our seats and then explained how everything works. So there's like different courses. Right now we have bread and salad on the table, and then they're gonna bring everything out. So you don't actually order when you sit down. It's like a pre-decided menu. This is the first course, salad with a citrus vinaigrette, and I think he said a pineapple bread with butter. Alright, here's our second course. We have teriyaki noodles, dumplings, and honey glazed chicken with some broccoli as well. Smells delicious. Here's our next course. It's chicken thigh with the bone in it, with chimichurri on it. We may have forgotten to film before taking many bites of our dessert, but it is absolutely delicious. Pineapple bread pudding with vanilla ice cream and salted caramel sauce. So good. Hi everybody. We're heading to the boat to go to Magic Kingdom for the firework dessert party. Yep. Firework dessert party. And here we are, Magic Kingdom. Boat ride was really fast. We're gonna go in and go straight to the dessert party. Here it comes. It's happening. There she is. We're at the pre-party. Weird again. We have coffee and hot tea. Shape of Mickey. You can come up and grab 2 at a time. Whatever you would like. Fruit and cheese, a little citrus, popper thing. This is really cute. And this is butterscotch pudding, I believe. We got guava juice. Then they have alcoholic beverages to choose from. Have a magic
Thank you so much, guys. There you go, guys. And you're just in time for the light up. So, guys, you're all set. We're taking care of that. Find the front walkway. Here's that front walkway through.
Good evening, friends. Look around you. There.
This is the area where they have everybody come after the after party. Filled up really fast. Pretty good view of the castle. They do have everybody stand up right before the show.
To make all your dreams come true. You are the magic.
I still even close your eyes. You can go there by your soul.
After the fireworks. This is the boat that goes back to the resort. Not the ferry that goes to TTC, but the resort boat. We just got back from the fireworks and the pool is still open. There's a slide over there and a little kids area. Little cabana type areas too.